In this video, we're showing you how to assign Google tasks to others. So to do this, you want to go into Google Chat, which you can access by clicking the Google Apps icon and pressing chat here. Doing that will bring you to this page. So what you want to do is create a new chat, create a space with something like demonstration. And then doing this will allow you to do some things like add members, share a file, assign tasks. What we are interested today is assign tasks. So we'll click on that. So it'll bring you to a page where you can define the type of tasks that you want to give to someone, or assign to someone. For example, if I wanted help with video making, you can add a date and time for that and then assign a specific person to that. Once you have added it, this has been assigned to me. And if you've completed it, click that and that will be completed. Yeah, that's how you do that, guys. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.